Hello everyone, this is Manjunath. In this video, I will explain how to create a vertical student ID card in the SchoolAdmin software. Before we begin, ensure you have the OpenOffice application installed, as you will need it to edit the ID card. Access the required file, navigate to the following path on your computer: C drive, program files, x86, SchoolAdmin, Tomcat, web apps, SchoolAdmin, scripts, OpenOffice. Locate the file named idcard.od and copy it to your desktop. Open the OpenOffice application and select text document. Set the page size by going to the Format menu and selecting Page. Ensure the orientation is set to Portrait. Set the page width to 5.40 cm and the height to 8.56 cm, which are the standard dimensions for a vertical ID card. Design the ID card. Add tables to the document according to your design requirements. Copy the labels, variables, and logos from the idcard.od file you copied earlier. Follow along with the steps in the video to ensure you design the ID card correctly. Save and replace the file. Once you have completed the design, save the document as idcard.od. Replace the original idcard.od file in the path: C drive, program files, x86, SchoolAdmin, Tomcat, web apps, SchoolAdmin, scripts, OpenOffice, with the newly created one. After replacing the ID card, please run the software and generate the new ID card to view the latest design. Sample ID cards. I am going to show you some sample vertical ID cards. If you need these files, please send an email to support@marvelsoft.co.in. These vertical ID cards will be available in the SchoolAdminCE 2024.3 version in the scripts folder. No need to create from the scratch. You can use them and modify them and replace them as idcard.od if you want to quickly design the vertical ID card. This is how you create a vertical ID card in the SchoolAdmin software. Thank you for watching.